In the next 45 seconds, I'm going to walk you through how to get something started on Amazon. I'm going to guide you step by step what you need to do if you are wanting to sell on Amazon and you're based in Australia or New Zealand. Now, number one is find small, lightweight, simple products like these, all right? A lot of those products are out there, they exist, they're very small, they're simple, there's no batteries, they're lightweight, doesn't cost a lot of money to ship, and very easy to maneuver, all right? You want to find these products. The second step is to find a good supplier. You can find these products on quite easily from overseas suppliers very cheaply. And the next step is to ship it to Amazon warehouses. There's warehouses based all around Australia. In fact, they're building another one here in Sydney where I'm based. They're actually all around the world, and a lot of them are based in America. Guys, if you are looking to get something started on Amazon and you're a beginner and you've never done this before, I put together an exclusive training. So this training, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. We actually walk you through 10 products that are selling really well right now. These 10 products, I will walk you through what to look for, the next steps that you need to take, and I'm going to assume that you are a beginner, that you've never done any of this sort of stuff before. I'm going to assume all of that, and I'm going to walk you through what you need to do next if you are looking to get something started on Amazon, okay? So guys, around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to work with you. If you're looking for help, in fact, launching your first product on Amazon, I can even help you list and launch your first product on Amazon Australia, or even Amazon USA, all right? So guys, I've been doing this now for over 10 years, helping people find products and launch them on sites like Amazon, all right? We've worked with a lot of students, different levels of experience. Some people are 19 years old, some people are even 80 years old. We've helped people even 80 years old launch their product on sites like Amazon. So it doesn't matter about your experience, it doesn't matter whether you've done this before, it doesn't even matter whether or not you've even sold anything before online. Anyone can do this. Around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to see you on this training. Have a great day. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. See you later.